Wings are dead to you.
Off the clock, you'll never see me eat wings. At a Super Bowl party, I'm not touching wings. But then people think I have this encyclopedic knowledge of wings. They're always like, you know, hey, dude, I'm in Seattle. Is there the best wing spot? And, you know, I'm just trying to run away from it, but they always chase me.
You're haunted by the wings.
I am. It's a telltale heart.
It's maybe the greatest crossover of all time.
Without a doubt.
Marvel, I don't think, has anything on us.
Definitely not.
I usually have Mirinda, but we'll shout chicken at you.
For every one person that's like, hi, Sean, there's probably 30 just, you know, like, oh, it's the chicken wing guy, you know, pointing at me. So we probably live a shared experience that way.
If I hear the word chicken, I will turn around.
Same with me. I recognize it more than my own name at this point.
You're from Chicago.
I am.
The Windy City. What's it like being bald in the Windy City?
You know what?
Risky.
No, it's the best thing ever.
Really?
You'll never understand the feeling of what that's like. You know, with like a misty rain in London, and then to be able to just take your hand and make a clean swipe across the top of your head.
Yeah, I feel like you think I'm missing out, but I don't know if I am.
Do you think we're maybe too similar to date?
Oh, really? You think?
Yeah, maybe.
We're just cut from the same cloth.
You think we could live that kind of life?
Yeah, I'm looking for someone that's very similar to me because I am perfect. Also want someone who agrees with me on everything.
Oh, well, I'm your guy.
Yeah, and I think that maybe you would also understand my perspective.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
we have a shared experience.
I basically want to date myself.
Well,
in a male form. So
then I'm your guy, Amelia.
there we go. How do you feel about giving celebrities diarrhea? Like, does that turn you on?
There's a part of me that feels bad about all of that stuff, you know? Like,
But like a small part.
a small part.
You eat as well as the guests.
Yeah.
Like, does that mean you're also like spend 80% of your time on the toilet?
No, you know what?
Because
I think the biology
in a relationship,
adjusts.
that's probably not gonna work.
No, I get that, I get
yeah.
that.
Have you ever had a crush on a guest?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You want to guess?
Ooh.
It's a guess we've shared. I'll give you a...
What?
Yeah.
Okay, Jennifer Lawrence.
No.
Jack Harlow.
Not what I was thinking, but a charming man.
Rosalia.
Oof. You know what? Her music moves me.
She's
her
incredible.
Music. Yeah. Kiki Palmer.
Kiki Palmer.
Yeah. Very charming.
Oh
Very
my
charming.
gosh.
Very charming
That
woman.
is a good one.
Who do you think our guests like better? You know, like if we went
What,
through
me
them.
or
or you
you?
or me? Yeah.
Me?
Like Jack probably likes you more.
Well, no, actually, I don't think he does.
I've never met him.
Okay. Do you want to get him on your show?
Yeah, and it's a shared goal.
Welcome to my
obviously.
world.
He slid one time, right? Or
Into
did
your
something,
DMs?
Right? No, into yours.
Oh,
into
sorry.
yours. I know.
Into mine, yeah. He's always sliding into my DMs, but he's just like, what's it called? Breadcrumbing me.
Yeah.
He's giving me little...
Teasing you.
Teasing me.
Leading you along.
And actually, maybe I'm over him.
Ooh.
Well, I'm not.
Or maybe you like
but
it.
I'm doing a new thing where I'm playing hard to get. Where I'm just publicly talking about how I'm not interested to see if that works. You're really lucky that you've got a good shaped head.
I don't take that for granted. I appreciate that every day.
Do you ever think about that when you're looking in the mirror? You're like, thank God I've got
have
a
to come
perfectly
up.
shaped head.
I'd have to come up with another plan.
No, I feel like it suits you.
Oh, thank you, Amelia.
Where do you think I rate on the Scoville scale?
Oh, you're in the millions, baby.
Does it go up to millions?
Yeah.
I'm
3X.
hotter than the bomb.
Way hotter.
Okay.
Way hotter.
Cool. You said it.
I did.
I said it, but chili sauce.
I really want to try the chili sauce,
okay.
actually.
There you go. Let's see how.
Is this hot?
I don't know. I've never had it.
Oh my
I've
God.
never had it.
Delicious. Kinda hot.
Kind of hot. Really?
It does.
You're,
It has a little
you're
kick.
saying it's
Yeah,
kind of hot.
do you want to try it?
God. Is that too much?
That's good.
Okay. Oh. That's fine. That can be fine. That can be fine. My hobby is dating.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's literally the only thing I do, like, as a pastime. Do you collect anything?
Like when the lockdowns are happening, I did kind of get back into baseball cards.
Oh, okay.
A little bit,
Sorry to hear
yeah.
that. Why don't chickens like to plan?
Why don't chickens like to plan?
Can you at least try and think of
Solve
what it was
a
gonna
riddle?
be?
Solve a riddle?
It's not a riddle, it's a joke.
I know, but I don't know where
Okay,
you're going with it.
because
I
they
didn't
like to
see.
wing
I didn't
it.
see
Because
that.
they like to wing it.
Okay, well, that was
They
good.
like to
That was
wing
good.
it.
That was so much funnier than the other one.
Do you like to wing it?
I always wing it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think so. I feel like you do a lot
No,
of
I
research.
do. I
I
do the
feel like that's
exact
a lie.
opposite of winging.
Yeah.
At all times,
you
actually.
prep
Yeah, I
a
do.
lot.
The next Range Rover tire gets
Sorry,
dropped off.
Could you? This chili just went on me.
Yeah, I know. This is dangerous. Yeah, it is.
Apparently, they can't tell the time,
Yeah, they can't.
which I think is a flaw.
Right. No, I agree with you 100%. You have to get it wound all the time. They're so temperamental. But one time I was talking to this UFC fighter, Israel Adesanya, and we were complaining about the same thing. A Rolex is not about telling you what time it is. It's about letting everyone else know what time it is. That's what he said to me.
Okay.
So I kind of just roll with that.
I think men that wear Rolex are stupid.